pressure water jetting. That's how you get scale out of a line. See right there, we got some of it on this line into this hole. Cleaning this old 3-inch cast iron. Live on Facebook, boys. Say hi. Flip Plumbers. That's how you clean a drain. That's the end on that blue tape you got marked there?
That's the mark of the stack right there.
Got to remember to use that tiger tail on this, though, so you don't scrape this line.
Straight run, I didn't need it.
All right. Let's get this camera in here. Hey, put that monitor close for me, okay? Let's see what this thing looks like. Look at all that scale laying in there. Big chunks of it. Yeah, we knocked that scale right down.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. That's how you clean a pipe. Yeah, see that?
That is a crack.
That is a crack. Hairline crack. You know, she may choose to baby this drain line. It's only one person living in here. It's a 3-inch. Right there's clear definition of your Y's. We're upside down here. We can flip that screen by going like that. So we're at the bottom of the pipe. Single ply toilet paper only. Right there's the bottom of the stool. Footage isn't correct when you're looking at the screen because we don't have the camera in the reel. But look at that. So if she switches to single ply, it's terrazzo floors, they could also line it. You can see that crack. See, that is clearly, right here, clearly a crack. As we removed all that scale, you could see it. But we don't see dirt, so the pipe is cracked. You know? But it was loaded with this stuff. And now it's not. But it's still rough, so, you know, hey, shut that down, let's wind this up. Let's go make money somewhere else. Yeah.